What's up guys, and welcome to our last episode of our plastic box series for our Blokees build. And for today we are going to build this Blokees in this plastic box that we purchased from our local seller. And in this build we are going to have Ironhide. So let's go ahead and start building. Let's go. Okay, so we are done building our Ironhide, and just to let you know, this is a special Galaxy Ironhide because of its colorway. It is black, but the original color for Ironhide is red. He is supposed to be red color, but later on we will show you something. But for this one, just want to let you know that in the G1 series, Ironhide is Optimus's graph tough as nails security officer and weapons specialist like Jazz. And as one of the oldest and most loyal Autobots, he prefers direct action over words, and is famous for rugged durability and thick southern accent. So as we know, in the Transformers the movie, that Ironhide there, the GMC big truck, he is really tough, shows a tough character like in the G1 series. And also in the series, the G1 series, this Ironhide transforms into a Nissan Cherry Vanette. So like the van carries multiple passengers. Yeah, so that's this vehicle mode. That's his vehicle mode. And also, aside from being a weapons specialist and close to Optimus Prime, he is also one of the oldest friend of Optimus Prime. So along with the other characters that came in the arc, Ironhide is one of the closest friend of Optimus aside from Bumblebee. So he is an old war veteran who has seen it all, making him occasionally short-tempered with younger Autobots like Bumblebee. And he possessed deeply optimistic and kind heart beneath his rough exterior. So yeah, this is our Autobot Ironhide, a special Galaxy Ironhide, but we got his brilliant form. This is the brilliant Ironhide, and it was also sold to us by our friend, local seller in the area. So yeah, this is his original color. This is the special Galaxy color, and this is the original color for Ironhide. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we start our next build series coming from the box of the Defender version 7. Defender version 6. That's it for today, and see you guys next time. Peace.